Heyo everyone, Hexi here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add MMD Visemes to your VR chat avatars. First, you're going to want to import your model into Unity. I'll just be using Corellia here as an example. You'll want to import your avatar's FBX file, which is usually somewhere in the Unity Project's Assets folder, though it can move around quite a bit based on who made it and how they organize their projects. Once you import the FBX, you'll need to figure out which mesh has your mouth Visemes on it. Once you've found the Visemes, you'll want to use this guide to create a new Viseme for each of these Japanese sounds by selecting the corresponding Viseme and then setting it to 1. And then you'll hit the arrow under the plus and minus in the Shape Key tab and create a new Shape Key from Mix. You'll then copy over the Japanese symbol, which I'll put down in the description. We'll start with the ah sound, which is labeled AA in VR chat, and then the ah symbol from Japanese, and rename the new shape key to that symbol by pasting it in. Once you're done with that, make sure you put the Viseme back down to 0 before moving on to the next one. We'll continue to do this for the E, U, E, and O sounds. Just remember that the Japanese symbol is on the left, the sound it makes is in the middle, and the VR chat Viseme is to the right. Once you've got your Visemes all set, you'll need to very specifically export this FBX file exactly as I tell you. Cat's tool might be able to help you with this, but it just automatically does what I'm about to show you. Make sure you turn off fake animations at the bottom. Don't want those. Turn off the Add Leaf Bones field under Armature, otherwise you're going to get a bunch of extra bones that you don't want. Disable Apply Modifiers under Geometry. You really don't want this one because otherwise your model won't animate correctly. And disable Use Space Transform and Apply Unit in the Transform tab. While we're in the Transform tab, we'll set forward to Y and Z to up. Though for some models, -Y is forward. So if the model's backwards in Unity, just change this and re-export the model. Finally, make sure that Apply Scaling is set to FBX All. Failing to do this can make your model too big, too small, or cause it to look like this. Yikes! You can select the body mesh in Unity to make sure that all your Visemes are there, and then make sure that your avatar's right defaults are set to on. I personally use Avatar Manager 3 for this, and then you're all ready to export your MMD compatible avatar. Here's hoping this helps you all out with making your own MMD videos, or just to have fun boogieing down in VR. Ciao for now, and Hexi out. Thanks go out to my Patreon supporters. Your donations mean the world to me, and I thank you for supporting my future endeavors.